Here is the most recent update from the ongoing construction of the Solution Fund City in the city of Awka in Anambra State. So guys, welcome back once more to my channel. It's still MOSHEH TV here again. So on Friday last week, I paid a visit to the ongoing construction of the Solution Fund City under Governor Soludo. So, and to see the level of work that is being done so far. So to my greatest surprise, like I earlier predicted in one of my last video I make about this place, that this particular fence they are doing outside, we're gonna be a dual fence, and something like a gather or protector will be put around the fencing. So, and as you can see in the video, the same thing that I predicted is what is happening here. So moving down on the entrance gate, you can see that it's almost completed, and all the bamboos we are seeing there currently are being removed. The day I visited there, they are being removed. By now, if you went back there, you will notice that the bamboo might not be there anymore, because that particular day they are almost done with the removing of those bamboos. So by now they might done removing all of them. So from the inside, currently we are in the inside the Fund City. Before we are at the outside, but now we are inside the Solution Fund City. So from the inside, you can notice a lot of changes. All the road are now receiving a stone base. They are receiving stone base, and other things are also being done. The demarcations, some of the demarcations are now being kind of gates or whatever are now being installed in some of the demarcations. Like this first building is receiving its own what's it called, gate installation, and the other ones. So if you move from here now down to the back, you still notice a lot of changes. Then another thing I noticed when I visited is that the gutters are being cleaned up currently. Like they are cleaning up the gutters from the sand that we are inside. So all the sand are being removed, as you can see in my video. So the sand are being removed currently from the gutters. And on the other hand, you can see that the fencing, the fence they use in the marketing the stadium and the Fund City, are also receiving screening. So they are screening the fence, and after everything, the next thing will follow. So a lot of demarcations will still come in place. Like after this section, currently, if you move back, when we are moving back, you will notice that a lot of demarcation are also coming up. A lot of the places will be demarcated. So I saw this thing as I was making my tour. They are laying a pipe there. I don't know what that pipe will be used for. So if we went to the back, they are constructing a very kind of, not that tiny, but a very comfortable, or kind of a drainage system. I don't know if it is drainage system or something they want to use in connecting pipes to somewhere. I don't know, but if it is drainage system, it's a welcome development, because I'm seeing it as something that will be collecting all the whole drops of rain down to where it's supposed to be. So if you watch closely here, you can see that this section has also been receiving its own stone base, and other beautification are also coming up. You will see them in this my video. Like if you watch there, you will see that they are beautifying that location. This empty space currently, I don't know what they want to use it for. So I don't know if they use it for car park or something else, but until the work is done, we know what it will be used for. So before I forgot, if you go to the back section of it, okay, look at some of the beautification I'm talking about. So they are trying to demarcate here, then beautify them and the rest. So here, this side is receiving stone base, while this side has not been touched, because a lot of work still needs to be done here. So over there on that gaming mountain, they have resumed work there also. The day I visited, they are installing bamboos there, to resume work on that section. So this is the drainage system I'm talking about. So a very portable drainage system. I don't know whether they want to use it to connect a pipe or something, or maybe it will serve as the drainage system or something. So it's stretched down to the, down to the other side. It connects to the wall, down. So this is the gaming system. You can see that the bambus are being installed on that thing to resume work over there. So a lot of gaming equipment are currently being installed. A lot of gaming system are now coming up. So on the day I visited too, I noticed that some of the things which I earlier mentioned, that they are swimming pool, they are actually swimming pool. So I counted up to 3 swimming pools here when I visited. At least 3 swimming pool, with other ones that I don't know what they will be using for. So I don't know what those ones will be using for. It looks like water fountain, like I mentioned, but until it's completed, then we will know what they actually wanna use those ones for. So with other things we saw there, so you will still be seeing other, gaming equipment being installed. So, and before I forgot also, on this side of swimming pool, this is swimming pool also, like the three swimming pool that I saw here. This swimming pool section will also be demarcated from that side of gaming side. The gaming section will be demarcated from this swimming pool side. So they are currently being demarcated, they are working on it, the fence are being put up. I believe by now it might have changed a new look, or maybe by the next time we visit, everything will come up. So as you can see, these are some of the equipment that will be used for this particular section. So honestly, work is fast approaching its final stage, because I can tell you that almost all the equipment that is needed for this work are currently inside this solution fund city. Like, everything is in tight, they are doing their best. So I also saw another thing, which what you are watching right now. This thing looks like a kind of intestine something. I don't know what they want to do there. Until I visit next, maybe the team will now have a ship to give us tip of what they want to do over there. So I think this is I don't know what this thing is we use for. It looks like swimming pool, and it looks like something else. So until it's completed, we will actually know what they want to use this for. So from here now, I'll be heading to where they are mounting another gaming systems. So if you watch closely over here, yeah, this is the equipment, and this that section is where the demarcation is going to be taking place, the demarcation between the gaming section and that of the swimming pool side. So continue watching the video while I keep explaining everything in details for you. So on this section, you can see that they are currently mounting this particular gaming equipment. I have saw this before in online, and offline. Until it's completed, we will go and test it out and see how it's actually been operating. So the day I visited, they are currently working on it. They are working on it. As you can see, if you watch very closely, you see them on the up. So they are currently working on this section right now. So I believe by now, maybe by now, or maybe in a few days time, whatever that needs to be done there will also be done and dusted. So this one is the one that will lift you up so high, I think, then bring you guys down, something like that. So the final submission I want to make about this particular solution from city is that it's not just to build it, but also to maintain. I pray and I'm hoping that whoever or whatever organization that is going to handle this particular project when done and dusted should be a very an organization that values life and know how to maintain things, because all this gaming equipment needs to be well taken care of. At least they need to be checking it out every morning before people will make use of them. That's just my own opinion about the whole thing. So thank you guys for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to share. To meet again, and if you have any other contribution to make about this particular place, kindly drop them via our comment section. Bye.